In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to N8N. Whether you're new to N8N or looking to integrate Gmail into your existing workflows, this guide will walk you through the process, step by step, ensuring you have a seamless experience. To begin with, let's dive into N8N and lay the groundwork by creating a new workflow. This workflow will eventually house our Gmail integration, allowing you to automate email-related tasks efficiently. Once you've created your workflow, the next task is to add a Gmail node. This node acts as the bridge between N8N and your Google account, facilitating the flow of data and commands. For the next crucial step, it's essential to choose the appropriate authentication method. In this case, we'll use OAuth 2. OAuth 2 is a robust and secure method for authorization, which will ensure that both N8N and Gmail can communicate without exposing your credentials to potential risks. Selecting OAuth 2 paves the way for safeguarding your connection, allowing only authorized operations. Before moving forward, you'll need to prepare by having your Google Client ID and Client Secret ready. These credentials are your keys to the kingdom, so to speak, and you should have obtained them earlier through Google's Developer Console. With these credentials in hand, return to N8N and input the Client ID and Client Secret into the designated fields in the Gmail node. This step is vital as it forms the foundation of the secure link between your Google account and N8N. With the credentials in place, you'll now engage in the authentication process. This involves clicking the provided link within N8N. When you do so, a prompt will appear, asking you to select your Google account. Make sure to choose the account you wish to connect to N8N, ensuring it is the one where your workflows and Gmail functionalities will interact. Once you've selected your account, the platform will ask you to grant necessary permissions. These permissions are required to allow N8N to perform actions on your behalf, such as sending emails or accessing your mailbox data. It's crucial to review these permissions thoroughly to ensure you're comfortable with the level of access being requested. Grant the permissions, and this finalizes the authentication process. Congratulations, your Gmail account is now connected to your N8N workflow. You can now leverage this integration to automate tasks like sending emails when a specific trigger is activated or managing your inbox more effectively through custom workflows. This setup not only saves time, but also enhances your productivity by automating typical email tasks seamlessly within your N8N platform. I hope this guide was easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to revisit these steps or leave a comment below. Happy automating!